This is a quick video on how to color manage untagged images using Photoshop CC 2019. Start by opening your image. If your image is missing a tag or an input profile, the missing profile window will populate. Choose Leave as Is, Don't Color Manage. Click OK. Once you have your image on your screen, go to Edit, Assign Profile. It's okay to click Don't Show Again and hit OK. Once the Assign Profile window pops up, click on Profile. If you know the image profile space that the image was captured in, select it here. If you do not know, click on either sRGB, Adobe 98, or ProPhoto RGB. Then click Preview On and Off. If there are no shifts when you preview on and off, then this most likely is the correct color space for that image. If your image shifts heavily and you preview on and off, then this is not the correct tag to choose. Once you've selected the proper tag for the image, click OK. If you have an untagged image and you send it to print, this may result in an unsellable product. For more color management tips, subscribe to LexJet's YouTube channel or visit our blog at blog.lexjet.com.